Karsan Ramji and Sons Limited is a 40 years old company and begins with its business with civil engineering. In 2014, we began with cement industry.
Before SAP, we had problems with accountability and record keeping. So it was hard to trace mistakes and get proper records for like tonnages and cement quantities and everything.
After SAP, we have had tremendous growth. We have increased our branches, our processes are a bit streamlined. We are able to collect data real time, so faster decision making.
As a SAP partner has customized our requirements. We have 8 to 9 locations whereby all finance information is real time. They've given easy access solution to our team.
In the branches, we have web bridges, which because of a special feature in SAP that is able to link the web bridge with SAP, we are able to capture the weights from the web bridge to the SAP, hence making work easy and increases accuracy. Due to the tremendous growth you are experiencing, we are looking for a business partner who will work with us in this journey. And ACEteK has proved to be that business partner. So if you're looking for a partner, you won't go wrong with ACEteK.